Hi everyone, I'm Pam, and today I am going to show you an app that is in Canva that is called Replicator. It's kind of a fun, cool little app. So I was showing this to the Clubhouse members earlier today. So I wanted just to briefly showcase what this does. So I just grabbed a dog, well, of course, picture here. And you can use any image that it will pick up. I noticed that in Canva, I grabbed a couple of different graphics and it wouldn't read it. So, yeah. All right. So let's see here. I am just going to show you the app. So I'm going to the left-hand side and I'm clicking on apps. Here you can type it in what app you would want, and it's actually right here. So I'm just going to click on it, and it says replicate design elements and create patterns. So this is pretty cool, right? And you can, there's all kinds of little things that you can do with it. So let's go in and play for a little bit. We are going to open this app. Okay, and let's see here. I'm going to click on the image I have over here, and then I'm also going to click on the purple app button. Okay, so it does the linear here. Let's play with it for a little bit so we can, so this is where that slope comes in. Ooh, I like that. You saw that on the other one, or, on the app info. And then you can move them closer together. Do that. You can have 6. Oh, that's not what I think what heck how many did I put in? 6. Okay, whew, gave me too many. Okay, so yeah, so there's all kinds, play with that a little bit. Size ratio, there's space, and then horizontal. You can play with this a little bit. This is kind of fun. Space. Okay, so you can space out a couple of them differently. All right. Size. Oh, okay. I see. All right. All right. I like this. This is kind of cool. Okay. All right. So we're going to reset the defaults there. And then we're going to go to grid. Okay. So you can do how many columns, how many rows. Let's see here. Let's do 3 columns. Oh, I did that way too much. Not 37 rows. Let's do 3 rows. Okay, and then we can play with the horizontal. We can play with the vertical. What else is there? More options. Slide. Oh, okay. Okay. Rotation. Oh. All right. And then we have the horizontal and then the vertical. Okay. I like that. Okay. Circular. This is the fun one. I really like this. So count, there's 6. Let's do 8. And then why does it always put so many there? I just wanted 8. Okay. So, and then this is, I actually like this too. You can split it. See how the slice 1/8. I like that. That's kind of cool. And then ring count 2. See what that is. Okay, so it's okay. So it adds another one to the top. All right. Okay, I get that. Ring slide. Okay. Rotation. All right, so you can oh, okay. Okay. Reset defaults. Let's go to wave. That's cute. All right, so we're gonna go no, let's go 5. Not 25, 5. And then wave count. Let's do 4 waves. Okay, let's do 3 ways because that look okay. I see it. All right, and then we have that. We have okay, and then more options. What's their size? Okay, I see. Oh, goodness. Okay, and then rotation, branch count. Oh, and then same thing, horizontal or vertical. Okay. All right, reset. So that was fun, right? That was kind of fun. That was cute. All right, let's play with this a little bit. This one. Okay, so we're gonna go back. All right. The reason why I'm going to show this one is because of the circular. I'm thinking this would be really cool for like graphics with food, graphics with different um, little elements like this. I really like this. And then let's see here, 9. You can add even more. You can cut that down. Ring cut. Okay, let's go down a little bit more. Ring, and then ring space. There's just so much you could, just use your imagination on what you can do with this. Okay, so then I was playing just a little bit more with my photos. And I put my photo in here. And what I did was the, hold on, let me go back. Okay, so what I did was the grid, and then how many, what, 4, and then 4 rows. And I had this, and I put this in the image, and then I went ahead and went to edit and did all these in duotone. I just think it was cute. I was just playing around, and then I did a frame for these. This would be like a really cute, like a birthday. Um, like we could use, like you put the pictures of the birthday person and main picture. It's just this would be kind of cool. Kind of cool. I like this app. I would use this app. What about you? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, this I would use, no doubt. Okay, so there we go. An app review for you. Please subscribe, please like, please share, and please come on over to Canva Creations in Facebook, Canva Creations with Pam, and join the Facebook group. All right? Okay, see you later. Bye.